What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Truefi, which has pumped up quite a bit in the last 24 hours. As you can see, over 40% guys, and currently trading at just under 10 cents. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down? I'm mainly covering, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it? Or is it time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours and coming days as well? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Truefi go? And is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website, and the market is down just about 0.6% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major. And yes, we do have Truefi as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it managed to drop 0.2%. Over the last day, 40% up, and we can see earlier on today it did pump up nearly 70% guys, hitting nearly 12 cents. However, since about that time, it has taken a little bit of a drop. Over the week, 46%, and over the month, a massive 140%. And yes guys, it did hit about 14 cents earlier this month, but obviously it's taken a drop, and right now it's slowly starting to come back up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see in the last 24 hours, the trading volume has gone up by a massive 700%, making it $109 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase, meaning a lot more people are looking into the project, a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, meaning a lot more people are trading the crypto and looking into it as well, because at the end of the day, it's one of the top gainers, so a lot of people's attention are going to be on this specific crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Truefi, which at the moment is here in purple at over 6 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here at 9 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, as you guys can see here. The only reason why it's looking quite bearish is because of the drop that's been taking place over the last 2 to 3 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep dropping. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, let's say towards the end of the day today, I am expecting an overall minimal gain in value. We should be seeing it head to about 12 cents towards the very end of the day today. Again, don't get me wrong, we are going to see dips in between. It's going to be a repeated cycle. Since this morning has been pumping, dropping, pumping, dropping. Again, that's what's likely to carry on as well, but is likely to move towards the positive direction, heading to about 11 to 12 cents towards the end of the day is what my expectations are from Truefi at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The orange line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. The orange is looking positive, the blue is looking negative. So over the next 7 to 8 days towards the end of this week, early next week, we should essentially expect the crypto to be fluctuating at its current price range over 9 cents. However, that's not what I'm expecting guys. Over the next 7 to 8 days towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Truefi to go through an overall increase in value, heading about to 13 to 14 cents by the end of this week is what I'm expecting from Truefi. But again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. You are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up. It's going to be up and down. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So far, so good for Truefi. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Finally guys, we got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Truefi over the coming 6 to 8 weeks. So let's say mid to late April 2023, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Truefi, and at this point we should be trading around the 25 cents target. Again, yes, I know 25 cents may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However guys, if we manage to give it approximately 2 months for it to hit that target, I'm pretty sure that's possible and it is realistic, because if you guys look at this, since the start of the year, since the start of 2023, it was trading at 2 cents and right now nearly hitting 10 cents, so has essentially gone 5 times its value in the space of about 2 months guys. And again, for it to go to 25 cents, yes, it requires a major increase, but if we give it enough time, we should be able to hit that. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is. If there are any major pumps or major crashes or bull runs or anything like that in between, these things can have a major impact on the value of Truefi, and anything like that I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Truefi. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone we need to hit 26 cents guys, which I did mention earlier on in the video. I'm expecting us to hit 25 cents by late April, early May. We should essentially be resisting at this resistance target here, dropping back down into the red zone and potentially breaking out from the red zone into the green zone by mid to late May 2023. However, it depends on the market conditions and so on, and as I mentioned, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Truefi. Yes, I know in the thumbnail it does say it's gonna hit $1 soon, but again, how soon is that? I'm expecting it to hit the dollar mark in Q4 of 2023 guys. So towards the end of the year is when I'm expecting Truefi to be hitting the dollar mark. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Truefi to be hitting $1? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.